Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Sarah, and today I've got something super exciting for all you shopaholics out there. We're diving into the Temu shopping app, where you can find some amazing deals and unique items. So, let's get started. First things first, what is Temu? Temu is a fantastic shopping app that offers a wide variety of products at incredible prices. From fashion and beauty to electronics and home decor, this app has it all. It's like having a mall right in your pocket. Now, let me show you how easy it is to use Temu. Once you open the app, you'll see a beautifully organized homepage. You can browse through different categories or use the search bar to find specific items. One of the best things about Temu is its user-friendly interface. It's super easy to navigate, and you can find everything you need in just a few taps. Plus, they offer amazing deals and discounts that you won't want to miss. Whether you're looking for the latest fashion trends or unique home items, Temu has got you covered. Want to save even more? Here's how to use coupons on Temu. Tap the profile icon at the bottom of the screen to go to your profile. In the My Coupons and Offers section, you'll see all available coupons. Choose a coupon and note the code. At checkout, enter the coupon code in the designated field and hit Apply. Watch the discount appear instantly. Always check for new coupons in your profile before making a purchase. So, there you have it, folks. Don't forget to download the app using the link in the description below to enjoy a special discount on your first purchase. And if you loved this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Happy shopping and saving!